Today we are making something very special, homemade apple butter. You are going to love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are using 7 fresh apples for this recipe. I'll go ahead to thoroughly wash my apples to remove dirt. In this video, I'm using baking soda to thoroughly wash my apples, and then I'll go ahead to rinse them off camera. The type of apple you use is completely up to you. You can peel the skin if you wish, but it doesn't really matter because you get the same result. Now that the apples are clean, slice the apples to remove the core of the apple and then go ahead to dice them into smaller pieces. The full list of ingredients and instructions will be in the description box below. Please check it out. Dice your apple into smaller sizes so that the apple can evenly cook. Do this until you are done cutting all the apples. This recipe is one of my favorite autumn traditions. It is cozy, it's comforting, and it's the perfect way to capture the season. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, check out my page for amazing recipes that you may want to recreate. When you are done, transfer your diced apple into a bowl. Please, if you have watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share and drop your comments. Thank you. Transfer your apples into the pot. Go in with brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, but if you don't have mixed spice, you can also use nutmeg. Add in salt and give a good mix until everything is well combined. These spices elevate the flavor of the apple butter, and the sugar enhances the sweetness. After properly mixing the apples, go in with half cup of water and cover and allow to cook on medium to low heat. Halfway through, give a quick stir so it doesn't burn. By this time, your whole kitchen will be smelling so beautifully. Cover and allow the apples to cook down completely. As the apples cook down, they will soften and release their natural juices, creating the base of the apple butter. Once the apples are tender, give a quick stir and take it off the heat. Blend them until very smooth. If you don't have a hand blender, please feel free to use your regular blender. Just transfer it into your regular blender and blend until very smooth. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to like, share and drop your comments. Apple butter is one of those recipes that make your meal feel special, and I hope it brings a little warmth and coziness to your season wherever you are in the world. After blending, transfer the pot back to the heat and add in vanilla extract, lemon juice and water and allow to simmer on low heat to get the silkiest and smooth apple butter. If you have watched up to this point, let me know in the comments where you are watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Once the apple butter is ready, you should get a smooth, silky and velvety, rich apple butter just like in the video. Allow it to cool completely before transferring it into jars and store in the fridge. There are so many ways to enjoy this. I can't wait to show you more ways to use it in upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.